When Buckingham landowners' yards flooded after this construction blocked a drainage ditch, I told you about them asking for a solution. I'm Fox 4's Austin Shagorodsky. Part of my job is making sure your voices are heard. Now, the builders listened, and they took action. That's what it looked like when I came here on Wednesday. Inches of standing water in the yards. But now,
we're starting to see pockets of areas that had water that no longer have water.
Michelle Sullivan said the developer unblocked this drainage ditch early Friday morning as a temporary solution to the flooding. Look at this water line. You can see how high it was in the ditch Wednesday and how much the water receded. Water that Sullivan's horses were standing in, making her worry about hoof rot.
There's light at the end of the tunnel and tremendous amount of relief that they can go back to being horses out on grass and enjoying the pastures.
After Sullivan and her neighbor had complained to Lee County about the flooding, an inspection revealed the contractor did nothing wrong, that the former property owner illegally dug the drainage ditch. So Sullivan said she's grateful the developer is willing to work on a solution.
They stepped up, reached out, and said, we're going to solve this, we're going to work on it together. And we don't have the final solution yet, but we have commitment from them that they're going to work on one. So we appreciate that tremendously.
I reached out to the developer GL Homes about the work being done. John Asher, Director of Land Development, said they worked with Lee County and the South Florida Water Management District to keep the ditch open all weekend while they pumped the water to a containment area. And Asher said they aim to adjust their berms to maintain the flow of the ditch.
We so appreciate being heard and coming to the table to solution.
Asher said GL Homes expects to have a permanent solution figured out by next week. Reporting in Buckingham, I'm Austin Shagorodsky, Fox 4 News.